Hello and welcome to the Campus Nights. My name is Sonali and today we are going to be testing our Knights to see how well they know UCF.
I think I know pretty well just from being really involved on campus.
I mean, I feel like I'm still getting to know UCF, so I'm not sure how well I'm going to do, but I think I know enough by this point.
Pretty well.
Pretty good, yeah. Pretty well.
Is it a scale? I'd say, for me, 7 to 8, 7.5.
Yeah, I say so, about 8 out of 10.
Pretty well. I've been here for 3 years. I think pretty good.
I mean, I want to say pretty well, but then I don't want to oversell myself, so I'll go pretty well.
$1963.
Yeah.
1963, I think.
1963.
1963, yes.
1963, but the first classes didn't open till 7 years later.
Actually, it was 5 years later. It was 1968, right?
It was fun. Hey!
Florida Technical University. Technological. Florida Technological University. My bad.
It was like, it was FT, something else, Florida Technical.
Florida Technological University.
I don't feel like it was technological, but I'm just gonna say technological to be safe. Florida Technological College or University.
It's FTU. So before the question
Florida
before.
Technological University.
Bang.
FTU,
We did our
baby.
studies. Citronaut, right?
No, I think there's one before it.
Citronaut.
I don't know that one.
Wait.
Pegasus?
I don't think it was actually the Citronaut, because I think Citronaut was like an unofficial mascot.
It wasn't a wasp. I don't know why I'm thinking wasp. It wasn't a wasp.
I believe it was a Citronaut.
Pretty sure it was Citronaut.
Okay, I'm gonna go with you then.
think it was.
I think it's Citronaut too then.
Citronaut technically wasn't an official mascot, so
So-
I'm gonna go with Vinny the Vulture.
All right. That's why she's here.
Oh, I feel like I knew. See, wasp, vulture, they both fly, you know?
Yeah,
I was
wings.
putting, it was the wings.
Oh, black and gold.
Yeah.
Black and
Black and
gold.
Black and gold.
Black and gold. Gold and black. Woo-woo.
Wait, the SGA president?
Charles Milliken.
I don't know.
Was it? I don't know if it was Milliken. I don't know his first name, but I know like all the buildings are named after like UCF presidents, and so it was. I feel like I want to say it's somebody Milliken.
The actual president?
Yeah. Charles Milliken.
Yeah,
Mhm.
Milliken.
Milliken.
Charles Milliken.
Charles Milliken is the first name.
Oh, it was in the reflection pond.
The reflection pond.
Yes.
Is it the reflection pond?
The very first graduation was in the it was like the empty reflection
Yes.
pond.
Ooh, I know this one.
Okay, go ahead.
The reflection pond.
Oh, that's weird.
It's really
Wait,
cool.
in the pond?
Yeah, no water.
Didn't Nixon give a speech? Okay.
Oh, I don't watch the NFL.
Shaquem.
Shaquem.
Okay, I said it right the first time.
Shaquem.
Blake Bortles, aka Bay.
I want to say he's Tom. Some sort of Tom.
Okay, Shaquem Griffin?
Dante Culpepper, Brandon Marshall, Asante Samuel, Latavius Murray, Matt
Wow.
Prater. You got Shaquille Griffin.
Sorry, brother.
Of course, Blake. I'm probably missing a couple big ones, but
That's
AJ
impressive.
Bouye. That's another one.
Okay, I know most people think it was Colburn Hall, but it actually wasn't.
Library.
There's a name for it. It's like the power plant or like.
So I would say the first academic building on campus was the library.
Yes.
The library.
Library. But some people say it was the the water tower, because that had to come first, but elaborate.
But she's doing too much.
The duck
Spirit
pond.
Splash?
Yes.
Spirit Splash, right?
Spirit Splash. Woo
Yeah.
woo.
Spirit Splash.
Spirit Splash.
18.
I'm gonna guess 50.
19.
Ooh.
Oh my gosh.
11?
When?
Started like 97 or 99.
I'm just gonna throw out 23.
I'll agree with you.
We'll go with gut 11.
22. There it is.
She said 11, I said 11.
That's
22.
22, basically.
Bounce House.
Well, it's Spectrum Stadium
Oh.
and Bounce House. Cause
Oh, I thought it was like the nickname.
The football stadium, right? Not like CF Arena. I think it's Bright House Stadium, or like they call it the Bounce House too.
Spectrum Stadium.
Nicknamed the Bounce House.
The Spectrum,
Spectrum Stadium. Bounce House, baby.
Wow, why did I say Bright House? Oh my gosh, embarrassing. I'm sorry, Spectrum.
Whoa. Whoa.
UCF.
Charge on to the field.
With our spirits, we never yield. Black and gold.
charge right through the line. Victory is our cry. VRTCURY.
Tonight our nights will shine. Unless I go, yeah, I'll sing it, yeah.
I was gonna sing something completely different.
Sorry, I love that song.
Thank you for watching this episode of the Campus Nights. How well do you think you know UCF? Take the quiz in the description box below to test your knowledge. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram at ucf.edu. I'll see y'all next time. Bye!